Welcome to PyCoder. I'm going to show you how to make something that looks a little bit like this. Now the code may be a bit daunting at first if you aren't experienced, and I do recommend you get some Python experience done first. I will try to present this tutorial in a way that everyone should understand. So, to get started, I want to open up idle and go to file, new file, and you should get something that looks a little bit like this. Now, what you want to type is import Tkinter as TK. Now what this does is it brings in Tkinter so we can use it, and the as TK bit just makes it so we don't have to type the full word in our code all the time. Okay, now I want to make the window. So you can call your window anything, but I've got to the habit of calling it root. So root equals TK, that's referencing TK, as you can see, that's shortened .tk. I don't know why they call it the same things, but they're different. That's actually the window thing that gets all your window set up. Now we're going to give it a size for your window. So root.geometry, and in those brackets, in quotes, put whatever size you want. So I'm going to go 400 pixels by 400 pixels. And now put root.main loop. And that's it. So this imports Tkinter. It shortens the name down to TK. Then make the window here. Tell what size we want it to be. And then we all just finish everything up here. So we're going to run the program, because we need to save it as that's the name tutorial. .py. You always need to put the py at the end. Idle doesn't do it. Idle will not do it for you. And save. And you should get something. If we get out of the way, you should get something that looks a little bit like this. It may look different on Windows. Might be a little bit too big. You might just want to change numbers. But this is probably what it'll look like. That's good. But you notice the title is TK. Well, we want it to be something a little bit different. So I'm going to quit out of that. I'm going to add a line of code. Root.title. And then in between these brackets, in quotes, put whatever you want it to be. So this is going to be my title. Now let's run it now. As you can see, our window now has a title. Now, say you want text here. Well, this may be a little bit different. What we have here, for those of you who don't know, is a variable. It's a piece of data that can change. That's called root. We change things about it with these. Now we need to set up something else, another one of these, which will be known as a label. So text equals label, and you want it to appear on the window we just made, so we put root, and then text equals just whatever you want. Close that, and then to make it appear, I've got text.pack. and now it should appear. Ooh, doesn't appear. I've done something wrong. Sorry about that. It's actually text equals tk.label. Not making a very good first impression, am I? Anyway, so you want to put your root in as before, and then equals whatever you want. Okay, then we put text.pack. There we go. And run it. There we go. We've got I like pie and pie likes me. Okay. Now you're probably thinking, this is good, but the font is too small. And I agree with you. So we're going to add another little, what should we say, phrases to our label. We're going to put a comma in, and put font equals, and these little square brackets. We'll put, what's the name of your favourite font? Mine's Arial Black, but you can put anything you want. And then, how big you want it to be? I'll have 20. And there we go, we've got our font set up, and it should work. There we go. It's now in Arial Black. Unfortunately, I don't know of any way you can change the title font, but I think this is sufficient. Now a little trick, if you have multiple of these text things, and you don't have to type in the same thing every time, you can set a variable so that it's just basically time saving. So we can set x equals Arial Black 30, so 20, I'm gonna have 20, and then x will just stand in for that now. And as you can see, it works. Now, what if you want a button? Well, it's the same, pretty much the same. All you have to do is button, that's a variable, equals tk.button. It's very similar to how we set up the text, root. You can have what it says, text equals click me for cheese, and font equals x. I'm going to do button.pack and run it. And we've got a button. Hooray! Now it doesn't do anything yet, but I mean, you can have a little play about with this for now. I will go a little more in depth in the next video, but see what you can create for now. There are many other things which you can do with this Tkinter, and that will come up in the next video.